Did you know tea is one of the oldest beverages in history? Made with infused roots, leaves, flowers, and peels, teas can be served hot to warm up the cold days or cold to refresh us during summer. Teas also alleviate symptoms of diseases like gastritis or cold and have an even bigger role. Did you know that the detox process requires a well-hydrated body? Teas make the hydration more fun and specific. Learn how to grow 2 herbs at home to make your teas. Rosemary. Easy to grow, rosemary is used in many dishes. Rosemary tea alleviates the inflammation and burning sensation of colds and flu. If you want to learn more about this herb, watch the suggested video. Rosemary is resistant to heat, wind, and lack of humidity. It can be planted only once, and if well taken care of, stays healthy and productive for many years. There are some essential steps in its growth. If you plan on planting it in a vase, opt for the seedling instead of seeds. Also, choose a large vase, as rosemary grows more exuberant when it has lots of soil available. The soil needs to be well drained to avoid excessive moisture. Rosemary doesn't like humidity and low temperatures, so make sure to protect it against cold and frost. Sun is essential for rosemary, so make sure it receives at least 3 hours of direct sunlight every day. In the first months after planting, keep the soil always moist to accelerate its growth, but be careful not to overwater it and drown your seedling. After your rosemary is well developed, after around 120 days, it will resist longer dry periods, so you can give more days in between watering. If you follow these tips, your rosemary will always be perfumed and last up to 10 years. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Mint. The most recommended for teas is peppermint, which has an accentuated flavor. With quick development, mint doesn't need any chemicals. All you need to do is water it twice a day and keep your plant in a sunny place. As long as it has water, mint can be cultivated all year long. In a little less than a month after being planted, your mint will be ready for harvest. Following these tips, you can harvest all of its stems 3 times a year for 4 to 6 years without needing to replant your mint. Isn't it interesting? Now that you learned how to grow rosemary and mint, go watch the video, Peppermint and Rosemary Tea, to alleviate pains and improve memory. And remember that the ideal way of making teas is by infusion. If you overboil your water, the herbs lose their therapeutic powers. Try this tea and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.